Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We've taken a look at this coach model HC8243 in color code 552875. It's an Oxblood tortoise color frame. On the temples here we have a gold coach emblem. And at the temple tip over here, we have a gold coach logo. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are an Oxblood color. At the top left lens, we have a coach logo engraved in gold. The style frame is fashion square, and this frame is erexable. Up here we have a coach case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.